To create an Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing account and publish a book on Amazon, follow these steps. 1. Go to the KDP website /kdp.amazon.com/ and sign up for a new account. You will need to provide your name, email address, and a password. 2. Once you have signed up, log into your account and click on the Add a New Title button. 3. Fill out the book's basic information, including the title, author name, and ISBN if you have one. You can choose to enroll your book in KDP Select or opt out of this program. KDP Select offers exclusive distribution on Amazon and access to promotional tools. 4. Upload your book's cover and interior files. Amazon accepts various formats, including PDF, MOBI, and EPUB. 5. Set the price of your book. Amazon offers a 70% royalty rate for books priced between $2.99 and $9.99. 6. Choose the categories and keywords for your book. This will help Amazon's algorithms to categorize and promote your book. 7. Preview your book to make sure everything looks correct. 8. Submit your book for review. Amazon will review your book to ensure it meets their content guidelines. 9. Once your book is approved, it will be published on Amazon. You can track your book's sales and earnings through your KDP dashboard. Tips for publishing a book on Amazon. 1. Write a compelling book description and choose a catchy book title. 2. Use keywords and categories that accurately reflect your book's genre and content. 3. Optimize your book's metadata, including the author bio and book cover. 4. Price your book competitively to attract readers. 5. Promote your book through social media, email marketing, and other channels. 6. Respond promptly to customer reviews and questions. 7. Consider offering your book for free or at a discounted price for a limited time to attract new readers. 8. Use Amazon's promotional tools such as Kindle Countdown deals and free book promotions to boost your book's visibility. 9. Monitor your book's performance and make adjustments as needed to improve sales and rankings. 10. Keep writing and publishing new books to build your author platform and grow your audience.